Imagine paying thousands for a cruise only to be denied entry to dinner because of what you're wearing. The new dress code surprises are everywhere, from NCL to Royal Caribbean, and the backlash is insane. Stick around because number 1 might ruin your packing list.
All right, let's dive straight into the 10 clothing items that are now getting passengers turned away in 2026. We're counting down from number 10 to the absolute biggest surprise that has everyone talking. For each one, I'll tell you exactly what it is, why it's banned, and the real reason cruise lines are suddenly so strict. Grab your notepad, this one's a game changer.
Starting at number 10, camouflage clothing. You know those army-style camo pants, shirts, or jackets that look cool for vacation? Banned in several ports of call, and sometimes even flagged on board. Why? In places like Barbados, Grenada, and a few other Caribbean islands, wearing camo is actually illegal because it can be mistaken for military or police uniforms. Passengers have been fined hundreds of dollars or denied port entry. Cruise lines added the warning to protect you. One wrong outfit and your shore excursion is over before it starts.
Number 9. Smart glasses. Those AR or recording glasses, like the new Ray-Ban Meta styles. They look futuristic and hands-free, but they're now restricted or outright banned in public areas, lounges, and restaurants on several lines. The reason? Privacy. These glasses can secretly film other passengers without consent, and ships are cracking down to keep the vibe comfortable and lawsuit-free. Leave them in the cabin unless you want a polite, please remove them from staff.
Number 8. Hoodies and sweatshirts. Your comfy, oversized hoodie you throw on for sea days? Suddenly a problem in dining venues. Norwegian and a few other lines have clarified that hoodies are too casual for their specialty restaurants and even some main dining rooms. The goal? They want to elevate the atmosphere so everyone feels like they're on a premium experience, not a backyard barbecue. Multiple passengers this year got redirected to the buffet because of their favorite hoodie.
Number 7. Ripped or distressed jeans. Those trendy jeans with holes, frayed hems, or patches? They're now being turned away at upscale spots. Why banned? Cruise lines say they look sloppy and don't match the smart casual or elevated vibe they're pushing in 2026. Even on freestyle lines, the new rules are drawing a hard line. Staff have been instructed to suggest changing before seating you at Cagney's or similar steakhouses.
Number 6. Tank tops and sleeveless shirts. For both guys and girls, those muscle tees or spaghetti strap tops. Royal Caribbean has always banned them in main dining, but now more lines are enforcing it across the board, including NCL specialty venues. Shoulders and midriffs must be covered. The official reason is consistency and elegance, but passengers call it overkill. One viral story this year showed a family of 4 getting split up because dad's tank top wasn't allowed.
Number 5. Swimwear or pool attire anywhere outside the pool deck. Bikinis, board shorts, cover-ups worn to breakfast or dinner? Big no. Every major line still bans wet or beach clothes in restaurants for obvious hygiene reasons. Nobody wants pool water dripping on the carpet or chlorine smells at the table. But the surprise in 2026? Staff are enforcing it stricter than ever, and people in just a sarong or rash guard are being sent back to their rooms.
Number 4. Bare feet. Yes, really. Walking around in flip-flops is one thing, but going completely barefoot to dinner? Happens more than you think, and it's an instant denial. Safety and health codes are the reason. Broken glass, hot decks, slippery floors. Plus, restaurants simply won't seat you. Sounds obvious, but every cruise season, passengers test it and get shocked.
Number 3. Graphic tees with profanity, nudity, or offensive messages. That funny or not so funny t-shirt with swear words, political slogans, or anything edgy? Banned ship-wide on almost every line. The why is simple: family-friendly environment. Kids are everywhere, and cruise lines don't want anyone feeling uncomfortable. The policy even covers subtle innuendos now. They're scanning outfits more carefully after recent complaints.
Number 2. Flip-flops. These casual beach sandals you live in at sea? Newly and explicitly banned in 6 of Norwegian Cruise Line's most popular specialty restaurants: Palomar, Ocean Blue, Onda, Cagney's Steakhouse, Le Bistro, and Haven at dinner. Why? Norwegian wants to raise the bar on the dining experience after years of super relaxed freestyle cruising. Passengers who booked thinking anything goes are furious. Comments are calling it idiotic and a broken promise. You can still wear them poolside or in the main dining room, but specialty? Change into real shoes or you're eating elsewhere.
And the number one item that's surprising the most passengers right now? Shorts. Even nice shorts, athletic shorts, cargo shorts, all banned in those same 6 Norwegian specialty restaurants we just mentioned. This is the change that exploded on social media in early 2026. Norwegian had built its brand on freestyle, no formal nights, wear what you want. Then boom, new policy drops, and people in shorts are being turned away from $50 per person steak dinners they already paid for. The cruise line says it's about creating a more upscale ambiance so everyone enjoys the experience more. Passengers say it's a cash grab and ruins the relaxed vacation vibe. The backlash was so loud that NCL quietly dialed some rules back for main dining, but the specialty restaurant bans are still in effect. Moral of the story? Always double-check the latest dress code PDF before you sail. One pair of shorts could cost you your reservation. There you have it, the full 2026 countdown of clothing items that are catching cruisers completely off guard. So there you go, 10 items that could turn your dream cruise into a wardrobe nightmare if you're not prepared. The new dress codes are all about elevating the experience, but they're definitely surprising a lot of passengers who expected total freestyle freedom. Bottom line, pack versatile outfits, check your cruise line's app or website the week before you sail, and when in doubt, dress one level nicer than you think. If this video saved you from an awkward moment at the restaurant door, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest cruise truth, and drop a comment. Have you ever been turned away for what you were wearing? What's the craziest dress code story you've heard? I read every single one. Links to the latest official dress code PDFs for NCL, Royal, Carnival, and more are in the description, plus my free cruise packing checklist. Thanks for cruising with me today. See you on the next one. Safe sailing.